Hi guys, I'm Micah from Firebugs, going to teach you guys how to assemble some of our corrugated displays, try to take away some of the confusion. First we're going to start with our 12 unit fire fishing pole corrugated display. It's about the same as the 24 unit, but anyways, let's get into it. First you're going to do is you're going to identify the 12 holes at the bottom. That's where you're going to start. You're going to fold that forward so you can read our sign that says turn them, don't burn them. We don't want you burning your marshmallows. Then you're going to take this and fold it into these two tabs. So you're literally going to grab the turn them, don't burn them, and fold it right up like that. So you're going to have something looking like that. Then you're going to take these two flaps and fold them straight up. And then you're going to grab this tab, bring it up, and stick it right in there. Hold it tight so it doesn't let go. Push down on kind of that area so this will fold over really nice and keep it safe. Grab these tabs, poke them in there. That should hold it in just fine. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. What we're assembling right now is the tray. This is where your fishing poles are going to, or crankies or other products, are going to be sitting in each one of these 12 holes. Same thing, like I said, you're going to put these tabs in there. And then you're going to grab these two flaps and kind of do the same thing. There's another spot right there and there. Now after you've done this, you have a piece that looks something like this. You can literally kind of just shake it. It will come apart. You need 2 of them for a 12 unit and 3 for a 24 unit. What I like to do is just kind of put my fingers there and pull it towards me. Kind of pull the whole thing towards you. Grab it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this one this way and these two this way. And you'll see why you do that in a minute. You're going to, if you look right here, there's these 2 spots. That's where we're going to put each of these 2 pieces. Put one right there. Do the same exact thing to our second piece. Fold one left, fold one right. And it should look like that for now. Now what I like to do, because you don't want to rip it as cardboard, you want it to last as long as you can. What I like to do, doing this left-handed here so you can see, is I like to kind of just fish these little dividers that we're calling them. These are the dividers. Just kind of fish them in there like that, so then it holds itself together. And I like to fold it towards myself. Now you don't want to push them straight down because they could bend. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that these are set all the way down, so then you don't rip here and here. What I like to do is I literally just push it kind of like, I do one at a time so you don't rip it again. And then once you get it like that, you can kind of push it in, but just to make sure these tabs are hidden and look nice, I'm a little picky. Kind of just push them in like that. And then you have your fire fishing pole tray. Now that is all you need to hold your fishing poles. The next step, if you have a cranky display, are these inserts. These are going to go right in between the dividers. First thing you do with these is fold them, make a little half rectangle here. Put this tab down, that tab down, and then this tab is going to fold right into there. That's pretty much all you do with that. Those are going to go right in between the dividers here. There's a tab or a spot for these to kind of plug in. You just kind of push them in there. And then to lock them in place, you're just going to push them back so they're kind of squished up. You just do that 3 times, and then that's your cranky display. Okay, if you look behind me, this is the items that are going to go in the box. There's about 3 pieces. Don't forget your instructions if they don't know how to assemble it or take it out of the box once they get it. But so this is a shipper. You're just going to make this box. You're going to stick these pieces inside of it, and then you're going to grab the tray that we just made, that we just showed you. You're going to grab the tray, and once it's fully stocked, you're going to put that in the box as well. It'll look kind of like this stocked. If you have a 24 unit display, I'll kind of show you. If you have a 24 unit display, they're a little bit heavier, so we have this thing called a pole and retainer, so it actually retains the poles. All you do is kind of make a little rectangle out of it, like that. And then what you're going to do is just put it around the poles, kind of safely lift it up, and then you're just going to fasten this around, and this will retain the poles so that they'll ship safely. You don't have to worry about getting damaged or anything like that. So that's only for the 24 unit. You really don't need that for the 12 unit. And I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to find any more corrugated videos that we have, check us out on YouTube.